Bus. Yeah, I've stopped early back, mate, so you can reverse.
He's got space. You shouldn't need to move that far back.
Okay. What is this car doing?
I'm making a mess of it, for one.
Mm. The bus is backing up now instead.
Why is... Because that guy can't reverse.
Yeah.
Wait here. Oh, what is that guy doing? We'll wait, George.
Yeah.
I ain't following that. Just 2 secs.
Am I close enough to the line?
No, you're miles away. Yeah, we'll get him through, because that guy could not reverse for love nor money. What was that?
Even the bus driver was like,
what the fuck? He could not reverse, could he?
nope.